Hi, I'm Tony Crimlisk. This is probably the easiest song I know for beginners on the ukulele. It only uses two of the easiest chords, a two-finger chord F and a one-finger chord C7. And it's a sad song, so it goes quite slowly. It was also a great song for singing in the group, and it was a big hit for the Kingston Trio in 1958. I'll sing it, then I'll tell you more about it. It's based on a real person and gives some suggestions for the accompaniment. Hang down your head, Tom Dooley. Hang down your head and cry. Hang down your head, Tom Dooley. Poor boy, you're going to die. I took her to the mountains. There I took her life. Took her to the mountains, stabbed her with my knife. Hang down your head, Tom Dooley. Hang down your head and cry. Hang down your head, Tom Dooley. Oh boy, you're going to die. This time tomorrow, reckon where I'll be. If it hadn't been for Sheriff Grayson, I'd have been in Tennessee. This time tomorrow, reckon where I'll be. Down in some lonesome valley, hanging from a white oak tree. Hang down your head, Tom Dooley. Hang down your head and cry. Hang down your head, Tom Dooley. Poor boy, you're going to die. This is a traditional North Carolina folk song based on the 1866 murder of a woman called Laura Foster in Wilkes County in North Carolina. She was stabbed in a jealous rage by Tom Dooley, D-U-L-A, pronounced in the local dialect as Dooley, and was hanged. He was hanged in Statesville, North Carolina in 1868. It's only got the two chords, as I say, but they can be made a bit more interesting by releasing the pressure like that. So you get playing the open strings, which is a C6 chord, so it sounds as if you're doing three chords. You do the same thing with the C7. Not quite as obvious. And you could also, because again it's a funeral song, a funereal song about a death and hanging, you could get a little drum beat in between. Makes it a bit more interesting again. It's slow and sort of sad, but it's a great song to sing and very easy to play. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed that and found it useful. But whatever you do, however you do it, have fun.